A lot of fruits here, food. Starting to get dark. Gas station over there. You can always tell the good stores, a lot of people are waiting. It's the ones that don't have no people in front, best to avoid them. But that one there, they got a lot of people. So I would kind of suspect they have really good stuff, good prices. Listen, I gotta be careful here. I'm not standing in the red spot, I'll tell you that. The #1 store in Burrito and Sawmill, right? What time you're closing? Now? All night? 11? Ano oras sarado? 7:30. Oh, 7:30, okay. Yes, we call this area Sawmill. Sawmill Drugstore. Okay, welcome to Sawmill. Oops, sorry. Hello. Not a whole lot going on now. Everybody's starting to go home. Hello. Okay, I'm just hanging around here.
Bibili muna tayo mga bibili bago hintayin niyo ako sa grill.
Alright, it's nighttime already. Oh, time flies when you're having fun. Alright, night here. I'm proceeding to the Barrio Barreto area. Dark. No sidewalks. Hello. Hi. Anyway, I'm walking down. Hello. Hi. Hi. Hello. Good evening. And I am leaving Subic. And on the other side there is a Abongapo. Hello. Okay, in darkness like this, always good to have a buddy with you. Buddy system. I don't always practice what I preach, you know what I mean? 'Cause I'm usually by myself. That's just the way I am. Okay, you can see where they're starting to repair the drainage system here. They haven't connected it. I don't know why, but... Hello, how are you? Hi, how are you?
Yeah.
What time's Divvy Mart close?
8:30.
8:30?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Good night. See you tomorrow. My friends from Divvy Mart. Oh, hello.
Hello,
Good evening. Hello. Have school tomorrow. Okay, I'm right by Wilcon Depot. It's actually nice, no rain, you know. National Highway. Welcome to Barrio Barreto. Tell you what, it gets dark here at night. Don't be fooled, it does. It's only like, I don't know, 8 o'clock, 2000. Well, when you're a blogger, this is what happens. You go out late at night. Hello.
Hello, sir.
It's not late. It's only 8 o'clock. I was exaggerating, if you know what I mean. Okay, it's nighttime in Barrio Barreto. I don't know. 7:45, 8 o'clock. It's over around there. I think it's more. Let me check. 8:03. Okay. I don't wear a wristwatch, so I have to check on my phone. It's Sunday night. A lot of places are closed tonight. Okay, an ambulance there. I see the Whiskey Girl did not open tonight. It's Sunday night. A lot of people don't open on Sunday. Sunday and Wednesday seems to be big days off here. Okay, there's the gum leaves. I see they've taken down their for rent sign and their for sale sign that was in the window. So maybe somebody bought it. Who knows? Like I said, the sign is gone. Oh, there's Rosie's. Notice on the ground they have sandbags. This area does flood. Better safe than sorry, huh? Okay, National Highway. Okay, there's the Lux. Okay, there's Mango's Resort. Palm Tree Resort. I'll just give you a view of the by the Sea Hotel Resort. Sitting bull over there.